like update the title. Yeah, you can put the column, you can give the like rows information. So let's say here we put the like date, then the title, status, okay, and the okay, let put another one, insert one column, right, and give the name. Okay, so what you can do, just simply select this. Yep, and also give here, so change the font if you want, then make it a little bit larger, bold it, and here make it more bigger. Okay, and give a background color, make it is center, then background color is, you can put this, and font size white. Okay, so then here we can actually give the date, so date column is fine on this. Okay, so what we can do, we can actually select all. Okay, and then just make the font size 13, so that you don't need to change the font size every time. It will actually automatically, it will be 13. So let's say this is the date, so here you can put the date, and what you can do, you can just select all these column, then hold the control and click on this date column, so it will just unselect this one, deselect this date one, and then select rest of the rows, and then just go to the data, and here you have the data validation. Okay, so this is the, oh no, this is not we want to do. Here we have to actually date is, so here you can select the date is. Okay, so or you can select the date is after today, or date is before today. You can actually select like this, and you can done this. So what it will do, whenever you click here, you can actually select the date. Okay, so let's say I'm selecting the date here, and then give the name. So you can add your all the team members name. So how can you do this? Just again select all, then click on this, and then add a rule here. Okay, and then you can put the drop down, and give the drop down, you can give your team members name. Let's say Pranto, and then Kazi and Amrita. Okay, and also you can give a specific color. Let's say this, and this. Okay, done. So you can select like this. Okay, and then also you can put the title like, okay, uh created the Excel sheet. Okay, so here you can also put the status. So just select all, and just select this status, and add another rule, and give the status like WIP, like work in progress. First of all, you have to do WIP, work in progress, and done. Okay, then also you can select here. WIP means you can put the to do is the red, that means you need to do, and WIP you just put the like it's under the process, so we can actually make it blue, and the done we can make it the green, so it is done. Okay, status done. Okay, see, so this is how you can easily create your own Excel file, and you can easily manage your team members work, action items. You can track them, you can put the status, you can put the date, and you can just simply share with them, and they can actually update their information into the Excel file. So it is very important, like, because we have to do a lot of things into the Excel, and we're good there. Okay, so also here you can also like add the validation, and this is the like one sheet. So let's say this is the worksheet, and you can create another sheet, and then you can put another give name, so you can give another name of this sheet, so you can create a multiple sheets in a single Excel file, and you can work independently. Okay, and then also change the name, team tracker, something like this. Okay, so yep, and also here what you can do, you can also like change the font size, change, make it bold, make it italic, change the color. You can also add the borders if you want. Okay, and then also let's say if I Okay, let me show you another one. So if I scroll down, see when I will have so many data. So if I scroll down, I will like, I'm not sure is, I cannot see in the which one is the column name, right? So what I can do, I can make it freeze. So just simply select this. Okay, I'm just selecting only those columns. Then go to the format. Not the format where it is. Oh, sorry, in the view. So in the view, then go to the freeze and then just simply select the one row. Okay. So now what happened? If I scroll down, see, still I'm able to see the, because it's freezing. So I'm able to see the column and I can update the column based on my column name. Okay. So we can do these things also. And also the another important thing is the history. So when you are working with the multiple like in Excel file, you the multiple team members who are working, and sometimes it may like someone like do some fat fingering or like, and you don't have any idea. So to check it, you can just go to their history. Okay, and then you can see all the versions. See, so this is the first version. We didn't create anything. This is the second version. Here we actually created all these things. And also you can break down. You just, if you click here, see, they have like 852, I have done this. 852, 853, I have done this. So every minutes almost they are just updating all the things. Okay, so even if you want to restore this version, you can do this. Like let's say I want to go into the previous version. I mean this version, I can just simply click on this restore version. So it will just navigate me into this version. So I can again work from here. So that means if someone do any fiat fingering, you can check from here and you can see that which one, who is actually worked on here, and also you can restore the previous version. Okay. Do you have any question here?
No, no, Pranto, I'm good.
Okay. So now this is the Excel sheet, and also here you can share, you can share it with your team members in the similar way. And also this is the comment history. So if like if any of your team members put the comments, you can actually check from here also. And this is actually join the call from the Google Meet. You can also actually set up a new meeting and you can join the meeting from here directly, so that you can join the call and then you can actually communicate or you can talk, discuss with about this Excel file. Okay, and they have a lot of like extensions, add-ons. If you go to the add-ons and get add-ons, it they have also the so many extensions in the docs also. So this extension is like the helping hand, you can say. You can easily like do, let's say, see, this is the GPT for sheets and do docs. So this is the chat GPT, you can easily use sheet GPT, numerous AI, see there. So these are actually newly they have been added. And here you can see like there are like mail method, you can easily mail your Excel sheet, you can integrate this. This is the form builder plus, this is for the Google form, and this is the Zendesk. So there are a lot of extension, but you have to know about that extension and then you can actually work on that. And see, this is the download like how many users, 45 million plus users is work on it. So that means it is very useful. Flubaro, though I don't have any idea about this extension, but you can just simply go here and you can see Flubaro is a Google spreadsheet add on that helps educators quickly grade and analyze online assignment and assessment. See, so that means if you want to check someone's assignment assessment, you can actually use their extension. So see, this is how you can do this. Okay, so yeah, these extensions are very helpful. So you can just go over their video, you can just simply go over the documentation how it works, then you can implement this extension and you can work on it to make your work easily. Okay, and they have a lot of extension, as I said, you can see here. Okay, these are all the extension, and you can also go to the view mode and it will show you more, like work with docs, work with calendar, work with Gmail, work with Drive. So this is the work with sheets, and if you go to the view mode, it will show you all the sheets, Excel sheets, I mean Google Sheets extension. See, so you can just go and all see, this is the downloaded like the users information, like how many users have downloaded so far now. So that means these are very handy. Okay, very helpful. Anyway, and these all the extensions are free. by the way. So